Hey, good morning guys. I'm here with this new electric ratchet from Welder. This is a 33 foot-pound 12 volt lithium-ion electric ratchet. These are extremely useful. You get really tired of turning bolts by hand. This will save you time, it'll save your muscles, it'll save you frustration. This is a really nice tool to have. It does make jobs go a lot faster and a lot easier. So we got this nice 3/8 cordless ratchet. It is reversible. Very easy to adjust. It does have an LED light which is going to shoot right where you need it to. It does have some LED indicators letting you know your battery charge. It's pretty nice that it did come with 2 batteries, so when one dies you can get your other one going and then you can charge up your dead one. It did come with a set of sockets here. It came with a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter for some of these smaller sockets that it came with. It's kind of nice. It did come with a Phillips and a flathead standard here bit set, so you can put these right in and use it as a screwdriver as well, an electric powered screwdriver. So checking this guy out, I haven't charged the batteries yet, but I do believe it does come with a bit of a charge on it. Actually looks like I got full charge. You can see how that went all the way up to the green. So that means it does have a full charge. Nice LED light on it. We're going to illuminate where we need to. Not loud either. Some of these electric ratchets are very loud. This one is not bad at all. It's very, very average or on the low end of sound noise. So I'm really excited to start using this. It's lightweight. It's just under 4 pounds. So very lightweight, easy to use. It's got a nice slender body to it, so this will fit down in the engine bay for me. It did come with a really nice buff case. I had a chance to use this yesterday all day. I made this my primary ratchet. For 35 foot-pounds, it does a really good job. Now 35 foot-pounds is not a lot, so it's not going to be breaking all your bolts free. And it may not get as much torque on there as some bolts need, but it does a great job of twisting those nuts and bolts off for you, so you're not having to do it manually. This electric cordless ratchet works great. If you guys want to pick one of these up, we got a link below. Go ahead and click on that. Secure one of these bad boys, get it inside of your toolbox. I recommend it. It's a really good electric ratchet to have. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a good day.